namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. It means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. So today's pick a card reading is about what your dreams are trying to tell you. Okay, so maybe you are all having a lot of vivid dreams, because I am having, so I just wanted to do this reading for you all. So yeah, I just felt called to do this reading today. So remember, these are timeless reading, and these are general readings also. So if you are it's general reading, that means everything might not resonate, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so I have 3 groups over here. So for group number 1, we have this feather. So close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, and then select a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the feather. Or if you're seeing these kind of things like feather, if you're seeing feather in your dreams, maybe this is your message. Maybe you need to watch the group 1. Okay, so yeah, so if it sparks any memory, a feather or anything that sparks any memory, like for in this card, if anything sparks your memory, maybe you choose this pile. Okay, so yeah, so group number 1, we have the feather. For group number 2, we have the ladybug. Oh, ladybug, come here. Okay, and for group number 3, we have the unicorn. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and then select a pile or an object that calls to you. Okay, I'm going to do charms also today. Okay, so take your time, pause the video if you need to, and the timestamps will be in the description box. So I'm going to start with group number 1. Number 1, if you have chosen this feather and this card, let's see what is your message. Dust devil, moving out of stagnation. Okay, so yeah, maybe for some of you, you're seeing a desert area or something like that. So it's like telling you that, when we are in desert, we become, if you're lost in a desert, we will become thirsty, we don't know where to go, right? So I feel like you're going to find that water and you will be out of that stagnation. So that is what I feel like. You don't know where to go. So maybe for some of you, imagining like things should be like this. No, give it to the spirit right now. Sometimes what we plan might not be good for us. We feel like it's good for us, it's best for us, but spirit knows, the universe knows best for you. So that is what your dreams are trying to tell you. You're moving towards harmony, so don't try to control anything. You're moving out of this stuck period, and maybe for some of you, you want everything perfect. So there is perfection is in imperfection. So yeah, don't try to be too perfect. So that is something I feel for you guys. So let's see with the charms. First I'll just do the charms. So let's see what are the, if you're seeing some these kind of symbols in your dreams. So let's see for group number 1. Okay, we have this wand. Okay, maybe some of you are seeing horse or unicorns. So, but you know what, with this horse, I'm feeling like you're going to move forward, like you're going to free yourself from this period where you're feeling very stuck. So that's the thing. Okay, maybe for some of you, you're seeing feathers also, and with this feather, look, the feather has a green color also. So healing is happening for you guys. So maybe health wise also, if you're feeling like you're stuck because of your health, you're not able to do the task, if you're not giving your 100%, because of your health issues, I feel like you're coming out of it. Or maybe for some of you, it's like mentally you're feeling very stuck, very anxious, and because of it, you're not able to give your 100%. So yeah, I feel like they're telling you to have a journal. I feel like your dreams are trying to tell you, you can free yourself from this stress period. Okay, so maybe for some of you, this is a message that you need to consult a therapist or a counselor or a spiritual advisor. Okay, so Yeah, for some of you I feel like that, because your dreams are trying to tell you that everything is in your hands. You know, you can create the destiny that you want, or you can get stuck in your own imagination, like why things are not moving the way forward, and you can keep on stressing. So you need to let it go. So for some of you, you need to fix that. Okay, that is what is I feel like. Mentally you need to it's, you know, you need to ask for help, you need to ask for support. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Okay, that is something strongly I'm feeling, like you are trying to do everything by yourself, and that's why you're feeling stuck. When we ask for support, when we ask for help, new ideas will come, people will give you new ideas, so you can do things differently. So maybe for some of you, that's the thing. You need to ask for support, ask for help. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Yeah, you can manifest your desired life, you have that power in you, but right now you need to ask for help, for support. And yeah, for some of you, you know, you, if you have a partnership, so I'm getting partnership for some of you. Maybe for some of you, you have a partner that you need to spend quality time with. Maybe you are so stressed about your stressed, you know, you have a good partner who loves you. For some of you, I feel like that you have a partner who loves to spend time with you, but you are so caught up in your work, in your career, or other things, that you're not giving that time to your partner. So maybe you need to enjoy some leisure time with your partner. It will be very helpful for your growth. So you know, sometimes we feel like that when we are relaxing. You know, sometimes we feel like when we are relaxing, we are wasting our time. No, you are not wasting your time, you're enjoying life. And when we enjoy life, that is when we get a lot of peace. And when we are happy, we are peaceful, right? So when we get that peace, we will be able to think a lot of ideas, we will get a lot of creative solutions. So for some of you, you're feeling like, oh, there is no one who I can ask support from. If you are that people, spirit is saying ask support from them. Ask, pray. The power of prayer is so, you know, the power of prayers is so, you know, if you pray, you will get it. It's like, there is power in prayer. That is what I feel like. So maybe for some of you, are seeing dolphins, and dolphins are such playful creature, right? They enjoy life, they are very intelligent also. So listen to music. If you sing, dance. Okay, and yeah, you need to let go of. Okay, for some of you, N letter came and this let go came. So maybe for some of you, there is a person whose initial starts with N, or maybe, I don't know, for some of you this is a very specific message. You need to let go of this person. When you let go of this person, that is when you will move forward with your life. Maybe you're thinking about this person, you're stressing why things didn't happen the way. So maybe you're stuck because of this person's feelings. You know, sometimes we get stuck. So maybe you need to let go of that. And when you let go of this person, that is when you will move out of the stagnant period. So yes, you are going through a very stuck period in your life, but it's going to be over. But you need to make that change. You need to change your perception about things. You need to enjoy life. If you're single, or if maybe for some of you, I feel like you're caught up in this there's one thing that you need to let go of, and that is when new doors will open. So you know, for example, someone has closed the door upon you, and you're just knocking on that door. This person is not going to open the door, and you're just going to just waste your time. So like that only, certain things will not happen if you keep stressing about it. So what you need to do is to let go of that knocking, and go and knock on another door. That is what I feel, and that door will open for you guys. Okay, so yeah, so with this N letter, okay, this is a very specific message. So we have M also, we have pi also, and we have W also. And then we have this like autumn season. I'm getting with this autumn season, like the leaves shed, right? So new can come. So what you need to do is to let go of the past, so new can come in. So let go. Maybe you wanted something and that didn't happen, and you're just stressing about that same thing. It will not give you any good. So it's time to let go of that thing. Okay, so new can come in. Also, let's see. Yeah, we have winter's dream, gestation period. So yeah, relaxing time. And we have the snail. I'm getting the snail energy for some of you. Maybe you're seeing snails. So snail is all about slow and steady growth for you guys. You know, maybe you need to go slow. Yeah, you need to go. For some of you, it's a message to go slow, and you will be out of this stagnant period. It's not hibernation, it's time to be awake. Even though you're slow, you know, it's time to meditate, ground your energy, connect with spirit. Yeah, it's time to get in touch with your feminine, divine feminine. That is what I feel like. So like when a woman gets pregnant, the process is long, right? We have to the woman has to carry for 9 months, the baby she has to nurture, it will take time. So like that only, that's the thing I feel for you guys. So the things you want in your life, it will take time. You need to nurture it, go slow, relax, connect with your intuition, be aware of things, be aware, be open, don't sleep. Okay, don't sleep right now, it's not the time to sleep right now. It's relaxation means not sleeping. It's like to be aware, to connect with your intuition, to connect with the divine, to meditate, and go slow. Okay, so yeah, I am getting this perfection. For some of you, the thing that is coming in between is your own perfectionism. You, it's good in a way, to be perfect is good, but you know, you have to understand that we are not perfect. Right? No relationship can be perfect. Yeah, nothing can be perfect. Everything has imperfection in it, and that is the beauty. Okay. Oh, we have Ace of Diamonds. So for some of you, I feel like there is a partnership coming your way. If maybe for some of you, you're seeing rings, or maybe it's a partnership, like business partnership. So go slow. There is a business partnership coming for you guys. Maybe a collaboration, or if you're in business, maybe your business is going slow. Yes, be relax, be aware, meditate, ground your energy, imagine the outcome that you want, because I feel there is partnership happening for you guys. For some of you, a marriage is also coming. So yeah, if you're single, a marriage is going to happen for you guys. You are going to get married, but we don't, you know, for some of you, I even feel like you want your wedding to be perfect, and because of it, you're stressing a lot. Don't stress, enjoy your wedding. What is the use if you're just stressing and you're not enjoying your own wedding, right? So it's the time to enjoy it. Even though if it's imperfect, it's okay. All you need to do is to enjoy it. And you know, sometimes what happens is because we want everything perfect, we lose all the joy. So don't let that happen. Okay, even the things are imperfect, it's okay, you can enjoy it. Okay, so that's what I'm getting. Yeah, unicorn portal, focus your light, listen for a message. Yes, with this winter's dream and gestation period, a new portal is opening up for you guys, a new beginning is opening up for you guys. So maybe for some of you, thought that you want your marriage like this, but that you know, that's not happening. So do things differently. Okay, that is one thing I'm getting for you guys. For some of you in your business also, you wanted things differently, but it's not happening. Just something else is coming, so focus on that. Okay, focus on your light. And of course, I told you to meditate, to ground your energy, because there is a message that is coming your way. Your vibration is going to be very, very high, but you need to let go of your stubbornness. For some of you, you're stubborn. Yeah, I want to do this thing this way only, and because of it, you're stressing. So maybe a different idea is coming, a different way is coming, so you need to focus on that. Okay, that is what I feel like for you guys. Yeah, because winters, you know, winter's dream, with this winter card, you know, it's the time of relaxing. It's the time to take care of your needs, right? It's not the time to work. For some of you, it's time to relax, but at the same time, you need to be very aware of things also, like meditation and all. And you will see there are opportunities coming your way. And look, we have again High Priestess, you know. Yeah, there is some information that is coming your way, and that's why you need to be very aware of it. For some of you, you need to get in touch with your intuition. We have a cat also, black cat also. So for some of you, if you're seeing a black cat, that means you need to listen to your intuition. You need to listen to your own healing power. You can heal yourself. And with this High Priestess energy, some secrets are coming out. Okay, so be aware. That's why don't sleep. Be aware, relax, but don't sleep. Be open to all the signs and messages that you're getting, because a new portal is opening for you guys. It's a new beginning, new partnership for some of you, new business idea. So maybe for some of you, if you're not aware, you might miss out this opportunity. Sometimes when we're stuck on a particular opportunity, we miss new opportunities. So don't let that happen. Sometimes we don't trust our own intuition because we are so caught up in that one thing. So that's why they're telling, just let go of that thing, relax, go slow, be aware, meditate, ground your energy, because there is new ideas, new potential that is opening up for you guys, that you are not seeing right now. That's why you're feeling stuck, but things are going to come your way. Things are coming together for some of you. I even feel like that you're stuck on a partner. You thought that this might be your forever, but you need to let go of this person, so a new person can come in your way, and this person will be very high in frequency. So you need to trust yourself. You need to trust your intuition. Maybe for some of you are seeing 1111. It's a new path. Okay, and we have a butterfly also. So for some of you seeing butterflies, that is a transformation, changes, a new opportunity. You have grown. For some of you, it's like you have outgrown this relationship, you have outgrown this work area, so it's new, something new is coming. Okay, so that's all for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this ladybug, let's see what your dream's trying to tell you. Okay, we have horseman for you guys. If you've chosen the card horseman, so let's see. I'm going to start with charms and then we will go with the cards. Okay, so we have this ladybug. Ladybug is all about good luck. If you have been seeing this ladybug in your dreams, then I feel like a lot of good luck is coming your way. And we have this change also. So this card also is about good news. So some good news is coming your way, definitely. Okay, I feel like group number 2. That is what your dreams are trying to tell you. Maybe for some of you feel like that, like something big is going to come. If you're feeling like that, yes, something big is definitely coming your way, and that is going to change a lot of things, your path. A lot of things are going to change for you guys. That is also, I feel like, a lot of big changes. So don't be afraid of any of the changes, okay, because this change will be so positive for you guys. So let's see the charms for group number 2, what the dreams are trying to tell us for group number 2. Okay. Oh wow, we definitely have coins. So maybe for some of you it's like financial gain is coming your way. Money wise improvement. Good luck in money because we have this good luck. And maybe for some of you, if you want to grow your finances, if you are hoping to get a promotion or in your business, if you want to raise that finances. So finances, money wise, something good is going to happen. Maybe for some of you might win lottery, I don't know, but definitely something big is coming money wise. I'm sure money wise. We have a letter U. You are going to be lucky. And yes, you have been feeling this intuitively. Oh God, I told you. For some of you, if you've been feeling like, oh my God, something big is coming, if you've been feeling like that, I feel like that is the strongest message. And in regards to money is something I'm feeling a lot for you guys. Maybe your dreams are trying to tell you that. And football, so have fun, exercise. Maybe you need to take care of your health. That is also important. Yes, again we have elephant is also about good luck, and with this elephant I'm getting Lord Ganesh also. Maybe for some of you have seen Lord Ganesh in your dreams. Wow, that is so good thing to see, right? It's a very good dream that you have seen, if you have seen him. So with this, I feel like all your obstacles are going to go away. Things are changing for you guys. So maybe for some of you have gone through some financial difficulty. If that is the case, all your finances are going to be very, very good, and you're going to be so surprised when you get this thing. So you've been feeling like something big is coming. I feel like that this thing will change your life. Okay, so this is something big. Money wise I'm getting, or maybe for some of you it's like good luck relationship wise. but money is the strongest, okay, for group number 2. But there's definitely good luck, things are changing for you guys. So, and I feel, you know, for some of you, you are here to spread good news. Maybe for some of you, you will give this good news to someone else. Also maybe you will give the good news to people, because everyone is spreading bad news, so you are here to give good news to people. So your life is going to change, and you will give that good news to your family members. So your family members will be so happy, your partner will be happy. So some good news that you're going to spread. Okay, so definitely this is a very good sign. If you have been seeing horses, ladybug, you're definitely, your money situation is going to be very good. Okay, yeah. Oh, the crossing initiation, yeah, you have like, things are definitely going to change for you guys. This is a new start for you guys. Things are, you know, you're ending a chapter of your life. So for some of you, it's like, if you have struggled financially, that is going to go, it's over. You're crossing the bridge. You're going to live a new life. So maybe for some of you, you have this prosperous thinking, and because of this, things are changing for you guys. So maybe for some of you, I see you're seeing a boat in your dreams. Maybe a boat, yeah, it's like you have crossed this river. Now it's like new, you cannot go back, now something new is coming. Okay, so you're not going to go back. So yeah, new start, you're crossing the river, you're healing. For some of you, it's healing your mental health. It's like, you are here to spread good news, you are here to make other people happy, because if your news, you know, the news you are going to spread is going to make other people happy also, in a way, I feel like. Yeah, wow, it's a big change for you guys. Okay, that is what your dreams are pointing out. Things are changing for you guys. Yeah, look, I told you, with this 10 of spades energy also, like, you are ready to cross over. The past is over. The past is not going to repeat for you guys. Like, it's an end. For some of you, it's an end of financial troubles. Now there is no, because you have changed a lot. You are thinking prosperously. Your thinking has changed. Even though for some of you, I even feel like, even though you are not that financially stable, you feel financially stable, you are thinking like that, and because of that, the change is going to happen for you guys. Okay, so because of your own prosperous thinking, and that's what your dreams are trying to tell you, that you are nothing about, your past is not going to repeat, the past failures are not going to repeat, your hard work is definitely going to pay off. And yes, now it's the time for good luck. Oh my god, group number 2, good luck, that is the thing for you guys. Okay, yeah. And this elephant also, you have been very courageous, you have been moving forward. I feel like, in times of difficulties, even though you were going through a difficult period, you were helping other people in some sort of way by giving them guidance. You are not afraid to give money to other people, even though you don't have that much, because you believe in spirit. And that's why spirit is blessing you with so much abundance. Okay, yeah, this is very good, guys. Look, 2 of cups energy, this is also about good luck. And 2 of cups energy also, I feel what is happening is like, in your relationship also, things are coming together. So maybe for some of you, if you have been having a misunderstanding with someone, that is going to resolve very soon. Okay, in relationship also, there is a lot of good news. So maybe if you're in your marriage, there was misunderstanding. If you're in your family members, there were people who didn't understand you or something like that, there is understanding, there is togetherness. Okay, yeah, things like, the bad times are over, the good times are coming. That's the thing, like, yeah, changes are coming, and this change is going to be so positive, and you will be so happy. Group number 2, wow, pure intention, find clarity, surrender your ego. So that is, and look, a lot of peace is coming your way. You're going to be very calm. You're not going to stress about things, because things are going to go your way. Okay, I feel like you have gone through a lot of tests in your life, or maybe in the future also you will have to go through certain tests in your life, but I know that you're ready to face any adversities, and you will rise above those adversities, and spirit will be with you. Okay, so pure intention. So whenever you are doing something, be clear with your intention and be pure about your intention. Okay, seek no harm to anyone. I know that you will not do it, but I'm just saying it. Okay, so be pure of be pure. Okay, and yes, surrender your ego. The ego is like, I feel like that is the fear that is in you right now also. You know, even though you have this prosperous thinking, you think big for yourself, you dream big for yourself, but then too you feel a little bit of fear. So that is what you need to let go of. Okay, and forgive people. That is something I feel for group number 2. You need to forgive people, you need to forgive your past, your own past mistakes. Okay, be clear with your intention. Be clear, write your intention clearly on the paper, and keep on working towards your goal, because whatever you want in your life, you have that prosperous thinking, and because of that prosperous thinking, you're going to achieve everything, and things are going to be very clear for you guys. Okay, for some of you, I even feel like that you have clairvoyance like ability. You see things very clearly, so trust that. Okay, trust that. Yeah, wow, group number 2, your like things are going to be very good for you guys. Things are going to definitely shift for you guys. Things are coming together. For some of you, I even feel like you're connecting with your higher self. You're finding peace in chaos. Okay, you know, even though you will go through, even though things might be difficult for you, you will be very peaceful, because you know that spirit will take care of everything. So yeah, that's why you're going to be blessed. Like, yeah, take time to reflect, mirror guardian. So for some of you, I even feel like I told you clairvoyance, and with this mirror also, maybe you have the ability to see the future, or maybe scrying. Mirror scrying is something that you have that ability, or maybe that's what your dreams are trying to tell you, that you have the ability to see the future. Okay, okay, so for some of you, I feel like that's the message here. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you need to, if you're feeling like learning how to do mirror scrying, or if you're feeling like reading tarot, or if you are into that stuff, just go with it. Okay, just learn it, because you're going to be very good in it, and you know, because of your talent, your gift, you will be able to give good news to other people. You will be able to help other people when they are going when they are feeling not good, like when they're going through a rough phase in their life. You will be able to help them, you will be able to give them guidance. So yeah, so you have the skill. That is the thing, you have the skills. So your dreams are trying to tell you that you're gifted. You're gifted, you can see the future, you're clairvoyant, you can help other people through your gifts, you can bring people, you can give the good news to other people. So yeah, that's the thing, group number 2. And when we are helping other people without any expectation, spirit blesses us, right? So that is what I feel. For some of you, you need to do certain shadow work also. If you are stressing a lot, if you are stressing for nothing, maybe in your life things are going smooth, but you will find something to stress about. If that's the case, you need to reflect why you're doing that. Maybe you need to have a journal, maybe you need to write, and just write your intention. Be positive about your intention, because whatever you're intending will come true. Okay, and of course, I feel for you guys, definitely you need to meditate, you need to ground your energy, maybe walk in nature. That will be very beneficial for you guys, because you're making a connection with your higher self. Money wise, something good is definitely coming. I feel for this pile, like you have been thinking about it, like, yeah, something big is coming, something big is coming. You've been feeling that, yes, something big is definitely coming. This is a confirmation for those people. Okay, so but I feel like you need to take care of your health, you need to eat properly. If you're eating a lot of junk food, maybe you need to get rid of it. Maybe you have to have a good diet. That is something your dreams are trying to tell. Take care of your health. Okay, so yeah, because maybe for some of you, in order to develop your clairvoyance ability, maybe you need to balance your food habits. So maybe that's the thing for some of you. But if you are trying to focus on your abilities, like if you're trying to advance your clairvoyant abilities, have a balanced diet, and believe in the messages that you're receiving, believe in the images that you're seeing. Okay, trust in it, because that is the way that spirit is communicating to you. Okay, this is very spiritual pile also, I feel like. So major endings, it's a new you, and this version of you is going to be very successful. Okay, so that's it, group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you have chosen this unicorn, let's see what is your message, what your dreams are trying to tell you. Maybe you're seeing a lot of blue color in your dreams, blue color, water. So emotions, your emotions are very important right now. So I feel like for you guys, how you feel after dreaming, when you wake up, how you feel, that is going to be very important. Like how you feel is very important in your dreams. You feel happy, you feel sad, that is very important. Okay, so for many of you, you need to forgive someone or something. Okay, when you forgive, that is when things will repair for you. That is when you will progress, you will move forward in your life with this butterfly. The spirit is asking you, do you want to be the caterpillar whole your life, or you want to become the butterfly? So if you're holding resentments, if you're holding that guilt, you will never become the butterfly. So you will always be the caterpillar who is in the comfort zone, who is regretting things. Like you will be in that space only, right? You will not grow also. So if you want to grow, you need to forgive, you need to let go, you need to let go of the guilt. So that's why I feel like things are going to change for you guys. But before that, you need to let go of that resentments. You need to forgive people, you need to forgive yourself, you need to take care of yourself, you need to take care of your own heart. So yeah, that is when things will move forward for you guys. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you're seeing butterfly or yellow color. Maybe you have lost, for some of you, I feel like you have lost your confidence. Maybe you need to work on your solar plexus chakra also. And like maybe for some of you, why I feel like you don't believe in yourself right now, and spirit is saying believe in yourself. You can repair the things. Sometimes we feel like we cannot repair things, we cannot fix things, but if we believe in ourselves, we can repair our heart. Okay, so for some of you, it's like a loss of faith. You're losing faith, and your dreams are trying to tell you that no, don't lose faith, spirit is with you. And unicorns are such a magical creature, they are so high vibe, right? So it's like spirit is saying you to let go of the resentments, forgive yourself, forgive others, so you can move in your life. Okay, you can be that beautiful butterfly who can who has the freedom to go wherever they want. Okay, so maybe for some of you, it's your own resentments, it's your own guilt that is stopping you from your own freedom. So that is what you need to let go of. Okay, for group number, oh my god, sorry for that, for group number 3. Okay, and when you let go of that resentments, you heal yourself. Things will heal you for you guys. Okay, so let's see the charms for group number 3, what their dreams are trying to tell them. I heard time is not running out. Time is not running out. Okay, so for some of you, you feel like time is running out. No, it's not. Yeah, we have this bag. So travel, for some of you, you will be traveling, or maybe back to school. For some of you, I feel like it's like your school or university will reopen and you will be able to go. Or maybe you will travel, you will put all your essentials and you are able to travel to a new place. Or for some of you, it's like you're spiritually moving forward, you're repairing yourself, you're healing, and you're moving forward. Okay, so I feel like if you know, for some of you, I'm getting this meditation, Ho'oponopono, like I'm sorry, forgive me, what was it? I'm sorry, yeah, I'm sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. Yeah, I'm sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. So maybe you need to use that meditation. That will be very helpful for you guys. So look, we have a key also. So yeah, opening a new apartment. Maybe you're seeing keys. So you are opening your own self back. You're opening up your own self-confidence. A new relationship for some of you. New home for some of you. Definitely new home. I'm getting new home, new relationship, new partner, new office. Yeah, solutions, creative solutions. Yeah, you need to fix something. What you need to repair something, right? For some of you, you're repairing something in your home also. I feel like your home. Yeah, maybe you're doing some interior designing in your home. Maybe you're building a new home. That is something your dreams are trying to tell. If you want a new home, if you want to build a new home, I feel like everything will be okay. You will get the money that you want to do this thing. I feel like with this Taurus energy, you will have that luxurious items that you want in your room. Yeah, if you want to, yeah, you will be able to build your dream home. Okay, yeah, and with this bag also, like you are shifting all the things to your new home. So maybe if you're planning to buy a new home, or if you're planning to build a new home, yes, that's possible, guys. Okay, but before that, you need to let go of the resentment you have towards money. For some of you, that is also the case. You need to heal that. You need to understand that spirit will give the things we want, right, if we believe in it. Okay, sometimes because of our own limited belief, we don't get the things we want. So maybe you are desiring for big money, it's just an example. You're desiring for big money, but you feel that you're not worthy to have that money. You feel like that money will not come to you because you have to live like this only. You have to suffer for money, or you need to work hard for money. When you have that limited belief, that is why when things will not happen for you, guys. So you need to let go of that thing. Okay, so that is something your dreams are trying to tell you. We have E, L, we have Q, then we have I, and we have F. Okay, so maybe these are initials. No, for some of you, it's like, oh, what if this happens? What if that happens? So surrender that what if to divine. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, diving into a task. So for some of you, I'm just telling you an example. If you want to build a new home, dive deep into that task, like what you want for this home, how your home should be. So for some of you, it's like I feel like when you're planning for to buy a new home or to build a new home, you will be like, oh my god, I cannot do this because this will cost me this much money. So don't do that. Be clear with your intention. If you want this big your home, picture it, imagine it, dive deep, what you want in your home, how your home should look like, that kind of thing. Don't let your limited belief come in between. Limited belief about your money, what is that? Maybe for some of you have that limited belief that you cannot have that big home because it will take a lot of money, you will not receive money. Maybe you're thinking like that. So don't do that. Dive into the task, prepare a plan, believe in spirit. For some of you need to do that work with money. For some of you need to ask forgiveness to money, I feel like, because sometimes even though we have money, we feel like lack, right? Oh my god, I don't have that money. Even though 10 rupees is in your back pocket or $10 is in your pocket, you're like, oh my god, I don't have money. But you are disrespecting that $10 or 10 rupees, right? So I feel like you need to ask forgiveness from you need to use that Ho'oponopono practice with money, I feel like. Okay, jellyfish. Okay, jellyfish. Maybe for some of you, jellyfish is important. Maybe you're seeing jellyfish. Okay, wait a second, guys. I just need to research about jellyfish. Give me a moment because I'm curious right now. What is jellyfish spiritual meaning? Okay, I'm so sorry for that because I don't remember. Jellyfish are symbolic of flow, survival, instinct, movement, and simplicity. They teach us that we don't need to resist life, instead should let it guide us naturally. Yes, you need to guide life naturally, right? We have this 10 number also. 10 number is all about endings, new beginnings, like you are completing a chapter. So maybe for some of you, you are living in a home that you don't feel good enough. You want bigger home for yourself. So manifest that, believe that you will have a bigger home. So dive deep, imagine that. Your emotions are also very important. So if you how you feel emotionally is very important. If you feel like, yeah, I will get that big hope, you're feeling very hopeful, you're feeling very happy, and you're just giving to spirit, and you're just going with the flow, things will happen naturally. You will get money from somewhere you didn't even think about. Things will happen, miracle will happen. So first you need to work on that. Okay, ask forgiveness to people, to money. So to the things in your home that you have been like, oh boy, why it's of no use. Sometimes things are also we take sometimes small things in our life we take granted for. So you need to ask sorry for that. I feel like that. Okay, that will be very helpful for you guys, for the things that you want in your life, and that's what your dreams are trying to tell you. Okay, then yeah, look, we have the nest and we have the eggs, right? It's new home, a nest where you're feeling very emotionally satisfied, where you feel very happy, where you're feeling very safe. So maybe for some of you, the house you live in, you don't feel safe right now in that home, because the home is not so good, or maybe it's a very small home, whatever it is. So you need to feel that safety first, and that is when you will manifest that big home that you want in your life. So you need to be more emotionally satisfied with where you are right now, and that is when you will be able to get the things that you want in your life. So if you're stressing there, if you're feeling like, oh my god, why my life is like this, why I don't have this, if you are regretting, if you're complaining, if you're regretting, if you're doing that kind of things, if you're resenting people, then it might be difficult for you guys. So it's important that you let go of that resentment, guilt, heal yourself from that. Don't compare yourself to other people. Don't compare anything. Don't compare yourself to other people. Okay, so yeah, that's what I feel like. Yeah, trust and thrive. Look, trust and thrive. Trust the spirit. Maybe for some of you are seeing stag, and with this antenna, I feel like spirit is giving you a lot of intuitive nudges. Spirit will give you the way. Spirit will give you the way. All you need to do is move forward with it. Okay? Yeah. Take your power back right now. Sometimes we feel like that, oh my god, why my life is like this? Everyone is thriving. Why I am not thriving? Because of your thinking. You need to change that. How you think about yourself is very important. Do you think big about yourself, or you do think in lack? That is what your dreams are trying to tell you. If you want to make things happen for yourself, you need to think big. And the last card, look open to abundance, because you deserve that abundance, right? So the only thing that is coming in between your abundance is your own thinking. Like the clouds sometimes cover the sun, right? It's like that. The sun is there, the sun is going to shine on you, but your limited beliefs, the thing that you're thinking about yourself is clouding that abundance. So that is the thing that is problem for you guys. So if you want abundance, if you want that big hope, if you want that plenty, you need to think in plenty. Okay, if you're going to resent other people, if you're going to resent rich people, if you're going to, oh my god, their life is so easy, they are not doing the work, I'm doing so much of hard work, but why I'm not getting? If you're in that thing, or if you're thinking that money is evil, if what is your thinking is very important. What are your emotions are very important. What you feel about yourself is very important, and that is the blockage for you guys. So you need to be open to it. Abundance, believe you deserve, accept plenty and prosperity. For some of you, you don't believe that I will have this big home, I will have this much money, I will have a good relationship. So it's important, just sit with yourself and look what you're thinking. That's when you will realize what you're thinking about yourself. Maybe for some of you, thinking in lack. That is what you need to do right now, to dive deep. What you think, how you think about yourself. Do you compare yourself to other people? Do you think that other people have it easy? Do you think that you have to work 10 times harder than other people to get something? How you feel that is the thing you need to change. So you need to change your thinking first. You need to get into prosperous thinking. For some of you, I would recommend a book. You need to read the book Dynamic Laws of Prosperity by Catherine Pondo. That will be very good book for you guys. I feel like it's just a recommendation. If you feel called to it, just go for it. Okay, look at the sunflowers. There is so much of happiness, so much of brightness that wants to come into your life, but the only thing that is stopping is like your own limited beliefs, your own veil. You need to get rid of that veil, guys. right? Repair that thing, repair your limited, it's like your programming. You need to change your programming, your subconscious you need to reprogram your subconscious mind. Maybe you need to listen to meditations, like we have 8-hour meditations on YouTube, right? So maybe listen to that at night. So reprogram your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind is used to that, because your subconscious mind believes that you have to work hard, you will never get enough, you all the other people will be successful but you will be not, you have to work hard, blah 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 blah. That is the thing, because of your childhood patterns, because the things you have faced, because of your past maybe. And there is no blame, nothing like that, but I understand that that you have gone through a lot, but definitely Spirit is saying now is the time to open to abundance. You are watching this video, isn't it? So this is the thing. You're watching this video, you're in this vibration. If you were not in this vibration, you will never see this video, right? So you are getting this message today because Spirit wants you to know that. Spirit wants to change that for you guys, isn't it? So yeah, we have this 8 number also. There's so many infinite possibilities. Sometimes, you know, Spirit opens doors that we never thought of, right? Yeah, so be ready for the miracles. So be ready for the unexpected, guys. So but this is the thing you need to do, and that's what your dreams are trying to tell you. Okay, group number 3. Bye bye, take care.